Today, you will learn how to drop cap in Word, step by step. First, click anywhere inside the paragraph where you want the large first letter to appear. Now, go to the Insert tab, find the text group, and click Drop Cap. You'll see two main options. Choose Dropped if you want the large letter to appear inside the paragraph, or choose In Margin if you want it to appear outside the paragraph in the left margin. For more control, click Drop Cap Options. Here, you can change the font, adjust how many lines the letter should span, and set the distance from text. A value around 0.2 centimeters usually gives a clean and balanced look, but you can adjust it if needed, depending on your font. After making your changes, click OK, and your drop cap is ready. That's it. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.